Oi, I follow you on YouTube. Oh. You're on my YouTube now, JD and Brickworks, aren't you? I do. We just bumped into on the tools, can you believe it? We're just about to have a giant game of Jenga here. Enthralled.
And then nodded off, stood up.
Morning, we're just in yard. Got a new guy with us today, my nephew Justin.
Morning.
Come to join the team, give me a hand in office and quoting stuff, selling fencing. You're probably going to be seeing a lot more of him.
Morning guys.
Filming himself.
Trying to do a challenge where you have to tap your nose back up. There you go. It's got everything you're saying on there.
Don't talk, Dad.
I'm going to say that's a mic, mate.
Is that a mic?
Yeah.
Well, the mic needs to off.
Jamie wants to show his muscles on video. Go on then, Jamie. He's ran out of steam now. Horse in, as you can see. 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 As you can see.
Justin.
Not much. Does it look good?
I don't know. What do you want it, will it?
Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien.
Yeah, Baggy were late this morning, slept in.
Top shagger. How are we going to improve it, Baggy?
How are we going to improve it, Baggy? Eh?
Stay in bed. Well, just sat there on the field.
You alright, mate?
Oh, yeah.
Top pink up.
Yeah, I know what you mean, yeah, the drumstick with
Why
things.
is so much you better know you were sat there?
They're the same picture.
So we've got a way around not wearing these, just having the skin out. Get Airedale down on the back.
Look at it, look. And then this one as well. So we were meant to put 2-4 in, we turned up and this is already in and it's really bad, really bad. We haven't seen nothing like this for a...
Luckily what we have here, it's actually turned up. Look at this beauty. in there, so hopefully. But it would be raining. Beautiful yesterday. So, Matthew in the background, look, he's had to rewire everything to film this, but have you seen the state of this cabinet? And somebody is probably servicing and passing this off. I mean, even look at dodgy plug socket. Bad is this?
I don't want to put that needs ripping out and redoing.
That is one of the worst I've seen, Matt. I'm not sure about you. I know you've probably seen a few, but
I've not seen many like
it's
that.
not good, is it?
I don't, to be honest, for some...
Basically, slide them out. Each individual one has, what, 6 drop bolts? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's something like 8 drop bolts in total, as you can see. So this here, obviously they're a bit heavier because I've asked for this because they wanted the privacy as well. We put up yesterday where they advised us that that's where everybody gets together and hangs out, is all being destroyed. Look at that. So that full day yesterday, all being destroyed. All of it ripped to shreds. So we're not going to be doing this part now. Just shot 400 metres in total. Lads are just getting all that off now. Lads are on it. We're all here. Digger's out. Fencing's here. Lads are already cutting this down. I'm going to come through with Digger next, and Digger's there. Rip it all out. Now I've cut it, loosened it all up. He's dug around it, and now he'll give it a good old whack, and it should just pop out. I say that. Soon about to find out. Look at that. Straight out, and then what happens, even if it needs last little bit of cut, I can just cut it off. Looks like it's just attached a tiny little bit still, so if you really twist it off, I'll just pick it up and get it off. Loves it though, he does. Love it, don't you, Mark?
Knows what he's doing, this lad. Down at that. Down at that. As you can see, it's colossal. We're going all the way around that perimeter there, curling it all the way around. There's a single gate going in here for access, and then there's like an old farm gate over there. There's a double going there. So, like I say, we're going all the way around there, finishing up at car park. Obviously you can see we've put quite a bit in. We've put 120 metre in and a single gate up there. Posts are in, it's just to hang that next week. So yeah, we're cracking on. Just another 450 metre to go. It's bad here with rain yesterday. It's all paled, pre-paled. Drilling in water, mate. We're getting snorkels next.
Okay, Jamie, say some words about your job. How much you love it, Airedale?
Best job I've ever had.
Why are you laughing for? What, Chris, why are you laughing for? Why are you laughing for? I'm being serious.
Here we are. Grove is digging in another hole, as Jamie has said.
Every hole. Every hole.
Every hole is like that.
Stitched us up.
Stitched us up.
Said it was a dreamy dig.
Said it.